All right, everybody, welcome. This is the 13th March, and let's take a look on the 4-hour time frame now. 4-hour is basically creating a support, and that's something we can identify through, we had a bearish candle and a bullish candle form, boom, support formed. Now, obviously, this is a strong support because it's on the 4-hour time frame. So let's draw this line right over here. I'm going to draw my thing, boom, right now. Let's take a look on the 1-hour time frame now. Looking at the 1 hour, we have some more information. Now, the 1-hour time frame tells us that there's a support down at 2153, right? Because we got to adjust our zones now. And so far, looks like the 1-hour candles are just consolidating because look, candles are printing side by side. So this is a very clear sign of consolidation. Obviously, because we had big moves yesterday. I mean, look, this was CPI, I guess, yesterday. Let's take a look on a 30-minute time frame. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, we have the same consolidation. So now we have to do some zone work on this consolidation. That's what we got to do. We got to do some zone work on this consolidation. And first things first is going to go, we have a resistance area right here. Resistance area formed. And if we do break above this resistance area, above, let's say, let me just extend this a little bit. Okay, if we do break above 2160, 2161, there is a 50 pip range that price can come up to. So that's going to be a pretty good idea for price to break above 2161 to continue to push up. We have like a 60 pip range. At the same time, if we continue pushing down, you have a support at 2157, you have another support at 2156. So, like, that may cause some issues because if you are looking for sells, let's say below 2156, you're that's a 30 pip range, it's a good range. I was thinking maybe it's going to be like a small 15, 16 pip range or something like that. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see if we do end up breaking below 2156. But me, I'm mostly interested to see if we can break above 2161 to continue pushing up, or if we can break below. Yeah, these are still for sells. We'll have to wait to see how market presents itself for sells, but buys are easy because to the left hand side you have clean range that price can fill basically. Let's take a look at pound yen over here. Ooh, look at that. Pound yen is continuing to push up here now. All right, let's take a look on the daily time frame. Looking at the daily, let's remove these zones. Boom, let's bring this zone down because we're going to use it now. The daily has created support, and this new daily candle is now continuing to push up to fill this wick. I mean, it just seems like it, right? Now we have a support on the 4-hour time frame, and there's another support on the 4-hour time frame right over here. We're coming up towards. Okay, let me remove previous separators. Oh, what's this? Spread automatically got high over here. This is London Open right here. This is London Open and gold. London Open, London Open. See so much volume coming up. Spread went higher a little bit right over here. There's a lot of volume here. Let's take a look on the. So this is the 1-hour time frame. Let's draw this zone here in the 1-hour time frame right here. We have resistance here now in the 1 hour. And if we do break above this area, let's do this. Boom, boom, boom. If you do break above 189, 170, 180, this is a 25, 26 pip range for price to move up. So I say maybe that's going to be a pretty good idea for price to break above 189, like 200, 189, 180 for price to move up. Yeah, maybe. But as far as price action is concerned now, let's take a look on 30-minute time frame. Especially on a 30-minute time frame, we did create a support on the 30-minute and then we moved up. If we do think price is going to continue pushing up, we have to understand this one thing. If we think price will continue to push up, we need to, the better idea is to wait to see if price will create a support or not. So if we did move up right here, I think it's going to be better to see if we create some support and then take buys for price to continue to push up. And with volume, we can break above 189, 170, right? Taking buys now is going to be difficult because you have a resistance right here. So it's going to be better to wait for price to create some sort of support. For sells, that's an okay range over here below 188, 720. for price to move down, but we'll have to wait and see. Let's wait and see what happens, especially for gold. I'm going to be waiting to see if we break above 2161 to continue pushing up or not on this $1,000 account. So, yeah, let's see what happens. Take care, everyone, and be safe.